Minimize distractions in a photo by seamlessly filling a selected portion of an image with similar image content from surrounding parts of the photo. This photo would look much better without the small distraction of these vehicles. To quickly remove the distraction, get the lasso tool and click and drag a selection slightly larger than the small object that you want to remove. Then, in the menu bar, choose Edit, Fill Selection. In Photoshop, this will say Edit, Fill. Be sure not to choose Content Aware Fill. In the dialog box, set the use or contents to Content Aware. Set the blending mode to normal and the opacity to 100%, and uncheck Preserve Transparency. Photoshop users also place a check mark next to Color Adaptation, and then click OK. Press Ctrl-D, Command-D on a Mac to deselect, and that's it, you're done. If for some reason you don't like the results, simply undo and start over. Here's my scrapbook page after I've removed the small distraction and lightened the photo. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. This has been Gina Harper with Digital Scrapper. We help you get your stories told.